Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 6. Students, our next topic, food chains, on page number 152. The basic definition of food chain. Food passing from plants to animals and other animals means first animal get food from the plants and other animals get food from these animals. So there are different important categories of this food chain. First, producers. Producers are the plants that make their own food. Second stage, consumers. Consumers, animals that eat other plants or living things called consumers. And herbivores, those animals that only eat plants. For example, rabbits are herbivores. Next stage, carnivore. Students, carnivores animals are those that feed only on animals, for example insects, mites, lions. A fox is a carnivore. Students, omnivore animals can eat both plants and animals. So all these animals, when join with one another to get food, these makes links with their and form food chains. Here you can see this plant eaten by a rabbit. Rabbit is the first consumer of plant and second consumer fox, because fox can eat rabbit. Now page number 153. Test yourself questions and the answers are: Question 1. What is producer? A part producer, B part consumer, and C part give example of each. A part, a living thing that make its own food is called producer. For example, green plants and plants are animals are called consumers because they eat or consume other animals. For example, animals. Second, are you a herbivore or carnivore or an omnivore? We are omnivore because we are humans and we eat both plants and animals. Next, explain why all living things depend upon sunlight for their food. All plants use sunlight to make food in a process called photosynthesis, and other animals feed on this food to get energy. Next, a student went to a study a local pond. In one part of the pond, she noticed tadpole scrapping at some pond weeds. In other part, she saw a water beetle holding a tadpole in its jaws. So two questions are here. Construct a food chain for the pond and how many links are there in chain. Weed, tadpole, water beetle, there are 3 links in the food chain. Dear students, our next topic, food webs. There are different type of food chains and food links. And when these food chains or food links interconnect with one another, they form food web. It is a huge network of food links. All the animals are interconnected with one another for their food, eaten and be eaten. Because single food chain does not give complete picture of feeding relationship between animals and plants. For example, this rabbit of course does not feed entirely on the grass or lettuce, and the foxes do not eat only rabbits. They use other eating materials for their food. So the complete definition of food web is interconnecting food chain is called food web. Now it's time to solve test yourself questions on page number 154 and the answers are: page number 154, first question, look closely at the food web on previous pages. Write a food chain with 2 links, 3 links and 4 links. Write down the names of herbivores. Which carnivore has the most varied diet? Suggest one way in which the sparrow's hawk can help or hinder. You can see here the links. You have to write these links from here. Next, B part, rabbits, deer, horses, donkeys, goats, cows are herbivore animals. A fox is a carnivore. It feeds on animals such as insects, mites, birds and rabbits. It means it's a varied diet animal. Sparrowhawk kills their prey and responsible for decrease in number in all the small insects and birds. Last one, it may destroy the garden in search of food. Next question, rose growers often spray their roses with insecticides to kill green fly. Questions here, explain why this can upset the food web and suggest a way in which rose growers could control the number of green fly without using any chemical spray. A part, insecticides affects the food chain because they reduce the biomass of primary consumers. And B part, one of easiest and effective way of get rid of green flies is to spray them with some cooled water.